So here we have a Alpha P150 priming machine. This is once again also the newer version. It's not the old version, as you can see from the layout here, the shell holders and the new priming system here, the slide. So one thing I want to show you upgrade-wise here is you do have the full guard here, so it's with the blast shield and everything else. Next, if you look down here and zoom in there, you have the air vibrator. So this is the thing that stops primers from bunching up and also keeps the primer dust out of here. We have the original Feeding Concepts feeder, and this is, like I said, an original Alpha machine. This is given to us by liquidators of companies that we put out of business. They go bankrupt, the bank comes to us and tells us to, hey, get our money out of this thing since you put them under. So we're selling this. You're wondering why we're selling this? We're selling it because we make our own machines in-house, and we don't run anything Alpha because of lack of support, whatever else. They don't like us. And so this machine is totally refurbished when you get parts. So the shell holders, the punches, everything, we have plenty of spare parts for. We refurbish this machine, the parts that are needed, internals. Yes, the plate has a little bit of wear here and there, but the internal mechanisms run perfectly. We have all these parts you see here, the slides, this wheel, the pusher wheel, the shell holders, everything in stock, just so in case you need it. Conversions for this machine, as you see up here, this machine is currently set up for
223 Remington.
We have almost every caliber conversion in stock, or we can make it for you. So you just let us know what caliber you want. The price will be listed at the end of this video, because brokers might be brokering and selling this machine for us. So let's go and take a quick walk around. So primer depth gauge is right here. And then you're not going to be able to see the screen over this guard. So the original Alpha PLC and code, everything's normal in here. The machine does have roughly 28 million rounds through the PLC, but everything on the inside has been completely refurbished between motor, gearbox, dial, wheel, shell holders, punches. When you come and see this machine run before purchase, you'll see that everything runs smooth as can be on it, and we'll even give you training in the purchase price. We've taken the guards off here. As you can see, this machine is fully guarded by OSHA and EU standards, just so we can show you the video. There we go. We have the guards here and the plastic guards. The machine's fully guarded. New OTM collator motor. So this is an external collator motor controller that controls this stepper motor back here, as you can see. So it's brand new, so you don't have to worry about your motor dying on you. This is the new, better design. You'll see the exit chute completely polished and Teflon coated. You'll see the machine's guarded all around. You'll see a new stepper motor up here. And we did all these upgrades and fixes ourselves here to keep this thing reliable. And lastly, if you look underneath, of course they'll be guarded when you get into, which is showing you that everything's in good condition. So that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, use the contact info at the end of this video to contact us, either us or the broker who's selling this machine, and should really be about it.
Fully refurbished with upgrades for $78,000, with $7,500 per changeover, available for immediate delivery.